Cody is a new friend that I met recently. What, did we meet each other on Facebook, right? Because he's a fellow FPV pilot. It stinks because I just ended my contract today.
Oh my last day, dog! I got all my shit up. I need battery.
All right, guys, yet another contract in the books completed. I figured I'd go ahead and help you guys find his channel a little bit easier. Got my man Cody right here. Are you ready to go to the park? Wow. Look what this guy got. You just got that in the mail today, right? That's the replacement. Is this the Avata 1 or 2?
Avata 2.
Avata 2. And I've never flown one, but he's gonna let me rip it. I think it's definitely something like I'd have to get used to. Return to home.
So now,
that's such a cool feature.
yeah, and I can fly with it too.
I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy an Avata 2 eventually when the prices go down on Marketplace.
I can fly this way, but look. You just gotta, let me get a new pack. But
He says it's not hard to fly, so.
Nah.
He says nah.
No.
He says nah. But he crashed his last one.
Don't try and rip it.
I'm thinking prepared for that. So I've been flying DJI for a minute.
But have you ever flown the Motion?
Nope.
All right, so you double click that to arm.
Yep.
So you want to keep your thumb here. This is, yeah, push that up. Now, to turn. Nah, you don't do that. You twist. You twist your wrist like that. You just pull the trigger just a little bit.
Wow, that's pretty dope. In the car.
That dot is where you're gonna go. But go up, go high. You get a red bar, you know, you can turn around, but that has return to home on it, so if anything happens.
Yo, this is crazy, man.
Yeah, I can see you out there. It's like a jet.
Yeah, I was a little iffy about this, but now that I'm flying for the first time.
Yo.
Yeah, man, it's definitely different. It's so cool, though.
Yeah, and then just elevator down with that top one by your thumb. Just elevator down, down.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool for the first time. Appreciate you letting me fly that, bro.
Of course, man.
That's what's up. Go follow and like his YouTube channel, you guys.
Behavior FPV.
These props, I just changed them on my Gep RC 2.0 Cinelog. I'm gonna go ahead and swap them over to these ones. These are HQ Durable Props T2 X2 X4 Black. Those definitely look different. I'm hoping they fly a little bit better because I'm not a fan of those. And what do you got going on over here?
Oh, my RX is not secure, so I'm gonna secure it with a zip it.
How's she flying though, other than you know, me plugging in and making you?
Perfect. Perfect.
That's the one you built, right?
Tight. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, that's my.
And tell them exactly what type of paint this came
driver.
from.
Montana Black.
Montana Black.
Montana Black graffiti paint.
Same one?
Yeah, same shit. Different motors.
Yeah, yeah.
Those are 1880s. Those are 1750s.
Both running 03s.
03s, hobby wing. You know the deal?
Yeah.
Same thing, but smaller.
Little whoop
Yeah.
working, so, and then that's
65.
his 65 and a 75. I got my Gep RC with the new props. I haven't flown it yet because I actually like cut him out of the sky by accident because I plugged in. I'm new to DJI, you guys, and I don't like that flaw of DJI. When somebody's on the same channel or really close to you, it blacks you out and you know, you crash or whatever. But I got the Gep RC going. I'm gonna see how it flies.
Send it.
Oh, I like how that flies. The 6 blade or whatever. Yeah. That flies so much better.
Like those props?
Oh my god. So smooth. Alright, that was my Gep RC, and he's gonna go ahead and fly his Cinewhoop.
Alright.
Yeah. We got time.
You know what just happened?
Concrete bashing my tiny whoop.
Yeah.
Be alright.
What a blooper.
Oh my god, Cody, what the fuck? Let's go.
Go through your legs. Go.
Oh. You gotta keep that. Oh shit, I ain't recording. My bad.
No? He's taking off, you guys, and you know, I gotta actually take off too. Definitely subscribe to his channel. You know, he's all about FPV and he makes his own music, and you know, I'm telling you, he rips.
Come down, check out Ill Behavior FPV. We're just around, flying with friends, learning, getting better, ripping every day, destroying every day. Ill Behavior FPV, holla at me. I'm gonna be your pilot, say word.
I'm gonna be releasing a Grand Canyon video a little bit after this. I used to be all water at one time. He rocketed up there. I was really surprised. With sandals. With sandals.
Flip-flops, that's
Flip-flops. Flip and flop.